Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use FORD AKL alarm cable and K518 PRO to program 2016 Lincoln MKX.
First we generate the smart key. Lincoln. Select MKX. Select the menu for the 868.5 frequency. Put the key in the card slot. Click Generate. OK. Generated successfully. No need to continue generating. Select Cancel. Return to main menu. Then we choose the IMO and remote. Lincoln. Select MKX. Select the menu for 2016 to 2017. Smart key. All smart key lost. Turn off the ignition. Switch the driver's side door on and off once. Click OK. You need to prepare at least 2 smart keys. OK. The car alarm is going off. Click OK to continue. According to the prompt, after connecting the FORD AKL alarm cable. Click OK. Please disconnect the vehicle battery and click OK. Configuring system. Please reconnect the vehicle battery. The operation is complete. Click OK to continue. Reading information. Reading data. Data read complete. Please restore the wiring harness. Click OK after the operation is completed. Follow the prompts. Click OK when done. You need to wait about 10 minutes. Delete the programming keys and click OK. Delete complete. OK. Put the first key to be programmed into the sensing area. Click OK to continue. Number of keys programmed 1. OK. Programmed complete. Program the next. Click OK. Put the second key to be programmed into the sensing area. Click OK. Number of keys programmed 2. OK. No need to program the next one. Click Cancel. Program complete. OK. Now, let's try to see if the function of the key is normal. The first key hits the brake. Press the start button. The first key was successfully started into the car. The second key hits the brake. Press the start button. The second key started successfully. Let's test the remote control. The first key locks the car. Unlock. The second key locks the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We do the AKL for this car successfully. All functions are normal. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more sprite ahead.